AEON stock analysis and AEON stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do, how I'm going to trade. Look, I am the only guy in this space that has done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything. So I have seen what's making me money and what's not. Ultimately, you know, yes, the previous bias here of mine was bearish, and I looked then to kind of, you know, go with that, and that has delivered. That was very good. But you can see the price never really wanted to melt even further lower, which is fine. Pump back up, but this week doesn't mean much. It really doesn't mean much, because we're still in a bearish range. For me to shift from a bearish range to bullish, we must break with a full candle close above 73 cents, right? So now, I mean, I'm telling you, man, like if I see a double break, I'm still willing to take it further lower. Not like I have ill feelings towards it, it's just the truth, you know. I'm just sticking to something that I've tested, I've seen works. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month without indicators trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next